Hey Warrior family, Ellen here, the founder of Warrior Instructor Academy, and I want to bring you a huge update because we're approaching a major milestone. We're heading into 2026, which will be year 6 of this company. So we started in January of 2020, right before the world shut down and gyms everywhere closed. And somehow we found each other, at least 60 or so of us. And we started teaching Warrior Rhythm. You trusted me. And at the time, I wasn't well known in this industry. And so I don't take for granted the fact that this handful of you, and I refer to you as the grassroots team, you put your faith in me, you put your faith in our first program, Warrior Rhythm, and you started teaching mostly online at the time because of the state of the world. And from there, we grew. We grew in both formats and in number. So Warrior Strength was our next program to come along, followed by Combat, followed by Revolution. Those are our 4 pillar brands. And then we had 2 satellite programs, our kids program and our roots program for our seniors. I cannot believe that in 5 years' time that our family of formats has 6 brands. I'm so proud of the formats. I'm so proud of how distinct and unique each of them are in this industry. But what makes my heart want to burst is you, our community. I still, to this day, don't know what I ever deserved to find people like you. And then people like you found more people because like attracts like. And here we are today, upwards of 1,000 instructors across 14 countries, wildly unique, passionate, kind people. And to be the leader of that organization is so humbling and so thrilling. And you are truly what motivates me every single day. 2025 was a monumental year for us. And we took some really ballsy risks in this effort to be trailblazers in the fitness industry. Primarily, we started our own conference and our own retreat, the Confidence Conference, which we've come to know as the ConCon, here in Eugene, Oregon, and people came from all over. And it was a wildly successful event. And just watching you there interact with one another just reaffirmed this thing that I see in Warriors, that we are a talented, extraordinary group of people. And we have this one heartbeat, even though we are so diverse. And what we do best is change people's lives, one class at a time, one city at a time. We also launched our first retreat in Mexico, and it was amazing. It was a more intimate, more relaxed setting. And I'm so proud that we decided to branch out and do our own thing our way in 2025. So as I look forward to 2026, what's coming, what lies ahead for us, I don't plan on adding any new formats. I just want to continue to deepen the roots that we have, to water and nourish and throw sunshine on the programs that we have. They continue to evolve, they continue to get better, and so do we. Our community continues to evolve, grow, and get better, and sharpen and hone our craft. Also, in 2026, we are announcing our first brick and mortar studio here in Eugene, Oregon. Warrior Group Fitness Studio will be the first studio that offers classes that span a wide variety of modalities and showcase each of our warrior formats. This will also be an educational hub where we can offer certifications, film our content for our instructors. From the bottom of my heart down to my tippy toes, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for coming along wherever you found us in this journey, whether it's 5 years ago or 5 days ago. Thank you for being part of what Warrior is and what Warrior is becoming.